you're back with Sam the Lego Inventor, and we are going to be doing a rhino today. So the first step, you take one of these blocks and you stack up two of those blocks. Okay, then at the back, you're going to put a small one. Okay, and then you're going to put one of these little pieces right there. Okay, at the very bottom, right there. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to stick that piece right there. Okay, it's one of these pieces that like wobbles and like bend things, see? It can bend and stuff. So just stick that on that rhinoceros head, okay? Now, you stick a 4-piece, this piece, right there, so it looks like that, okay? And then, down here, you're going to put one of these 4 pieces right there. It's just going to be sitting there for a little bit. And then take one of these pieces and snap it on like that. Okay? Now, take one of these little pieces and stick it up on the head right there. Okay? And then take another one of those pieces and stick it on the back of that piece. Okay? Do this 4 times. This part 4 times. And it's made with just one of those. Here, I'll show you. It's made with one of these, okay, and one of these little black pieces. So you need to do that 4 times, and then when you're done doing those 4 times, you can see the spots where you need to stick them, okay? You stick them at the bottom right here, right here, right here, right here, and right here, okay? And then, when you're done with that, just bend the rhino head down. Okay? There is our rhino for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe, leave a like, and leave a comment. So, hopefully you guys had a good time. Bye.